Brimming with vitality, our videos enable potential buyers to imagine themselves living in your listing, while potential sellers see your commitment to pulling out all the stops for their home. Designed for the digital age, our vertical social media videos are perfect for Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube, capturing the attention of younger viewers who belong to prime home buyer demographics. Alive with motion, our showcase video is a dramatic and engaging walkthrough of the home that inspires the imagination of viewers. This video not only showcases your listing, it also helps you create a personal connection with your viewers. We now offer an on-camera introduction where you can welcome the viewers to your listing, and then close the video with a call to action to attract more buyers and future sellers. Capturing sweeping views of the surrounding area, our flyover video service highlights the property's location and its proximity to local amenities. This broader context can be a powerful selling tool, and it demonstrates your commitment to providing next-level marketing for your listings. And finally, our Premier video service combines the best of both worlds. It integrates the showcase and flyover videos into a single, captivating narrative that positions you as a serious and successful listing agent, and now includes the on-camera elements from the showcase video. Isn't it time for a real estate media company that is as dedicated to your success as you are? We are F8 Real Estate Media. F8 for real estate.